Hi scholars, Ms. Schmidt here. Last time we finished up learning about zones of regulation, and today we're going to learn how to use those in a different way with the sizes of our problems. Help to regulate our emotions in regardless of what the size of a problem is and make sure it matches the reaction to the size of the problem. So we have problems that happen to us every day. Little things happen all the time. You lose a pencil, maybe you fell down and hurt yourself, maybe someone hurt you. There's all different problems and all different types of sizes. So let's talk about those sizes right now and what they mean. So the first thing is we show little visuals here. A little problem is a tiny one, medium problem is a little bigger, and big is that biggest block. Little problems are considered quick fixes. So maybe you lost a card game. Maybe you lost a pencil. Maybe you tripped on something. They're just something that you can solve really quick. Usually you can solve by yourself. No one's hurt. It probably affects like 1 to 2 people. Maybe someone sat in your chair. Maybe someone got ahead of you in line, or you lost at a race. That's okay. There's no danger involved. Just something that we can solve really quickly. So those are kind of examples of what little problems are. There's something you can stay calm with. Here's some more examples here. You lost something, you dropped your books on the floor, someone bumps into you, you didn't finish your homework on time and you have more work to do. Those are all just little problems. Now we get a little bigger. Here's medium problems. Sometimes you need a little bit help with these medium problems, and that's okay too. Maybe a few people got hurt. Maybe you need to talk it out because it's something a little bigger, like someone lied about something, so you need to talk to a teacher about that. Or maybe someone stole something little from you, like your pencil. It can last a few days or a few hours, but there's no real danger there. You might just feel a little uncomfortable sometimes. And that would be more of a yellow zone or a blue zone. So here is a few more medium problem examples. Maybe someone's teasing a couple of students, so you're going to let a teacher know. Maybe you lost your homework and you need somebody to help you find it. And maybe your video game, you got like a high score and then your high score got deleted. But then there's big problems that hurt a lot of people. It impacts more than 10 people. It's not quick or clear. It lasts a very long time, and usually someone is hurt or in danger. It takes more than one person to solve that problem. Here are some examples of that. Let's go ahead and go through those. A tornado or a fire, a big car crash. Think about those. When there's a tornado, usually you have to have the fire department, you have to have a lot of medical professionals helping. If there's a fire, people can get hurt, things can burn down. A car crash, people can really hurt themselves or someone can die. There you go. Someone dies or get very sick or hurt. A big problem can even be if someone at school falls and breaks their leg and has to go to the hospital. That requires more than one person calling the ambulance, calling their parents, getting them to the hospital, getting them fixed by a doctor. Those are all big problems. Now, the biggest thing about our problems is that they have reactions that match. So we need to keep in mind that when there's a little problem, we need to have a little reaction to it. When there's a medium problem, we need to have a medium reaction to it. When there's a big problem, we need to have a big reaction to it. And here we're talking about that. Little problem equals little reaction. When you're stuck on a math problem, do you really need to throw your body on the floor and have a big reaction that needs to call other people in? No, we can just raise our hand and call for help. So that's where our zones come in too. Because if you think you're about to get really upset over being stuck on a math problem, what you do is you go ahead and you raise your hand, call a teacher, and then they can help you instead of that. Or if you think you're about to get explosive, maybe use one of your strategies to help you get back to that green zone so you can do that. So let's go ahead and let's see what's next for a little problem. I'm going to have a little bit of assignment for you to do after this video, so you guys can go ahead and get that going. Let's think about our sizes of a problem.